Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display. Here we have to tap on advanced, and right under it, here we've got the screen timeout. So let's enter, and as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So right now I've got 30 minutes option applied. This option is marked obviously, and in order to change it, just tap on the one you'd like to set. So I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, it has been immediately marked. What's more, after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.